Hey everyone. So first of all, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard, and from there you have to scroll down and you can see here appearance. After hovering over it, you will see menus. You need to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see there is only one menu here, and it is selected as primary, secondary, mobile and footer, all of them. So if I visit the website, you will see these are the menu items. So if I change something, let's say I want contact us page to be a sub item under about us, and if someone hover over about us, they will see contact page. So I will save it and you will see here. I have to refresh it after visiting the website. So you will see if someone hover over it, contact us page is visible. So you just have to click on it, hold it and drag it and align it all equally, and it will be fixed again. And what you can do here is, if you want any other pages to be in the menu item, you can click it. For example, if I click it and press add to menu, it will be a menu item. And if we save it, you will see it here. We will refresh it and there you go, our menu is visible here. And now another thing is, sometimes you will see one or two or three menus here, so you have to delete uh, all the menus except for one, depending on your preference. And if you are thinking on having two menus, what you are going to do is you have to click on customize, and after clicking on customize, from appearance you will be directed in an interface like this. Here what you are going to do is click on the menu pencil icon, and you will see here is a button called section select menu, and here you can select the primary menu. If you have more than one menu, it will be appearing here. So for in my case, I have only one menu, that's why I have only one being shown here. So that's how you will do it. And for secondary menu, you can select based on your preference as well, and for mobile you can select a different menu if you want as well, and for footer you can select one as well by just simply clicking on it. And of course you have to publish it after making changes. So that's how you change a menu or add a menu in WordPress. Thanks for watching.